Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another Diamond Art Club unboxing. I know, right? I have not showed this many Diamond Art Clubs since December. But anyway, I had a $20 off coupon or code to use, and right now at this point in time, everything that I really want from Diamond Art Club is out of stock. So I seen this little one and I was like, okay, it's cute, I'm gonna go ahead and get it before, because with the $20 code, I was limited on how many days I had in order to use it. So I just went ahead and grabbed this one. It's cute, I will do it. But it sure would have been nice to have been able to use $20 off on something that was on my wish list. That's been on my wish list forever. So anyway, this is a Diamond Art Club. On the back here, you're going to see your instructions on how to diamond paint, all their socials, all that stuff. This is what I chose, with Whimsical Watcher by Iris Sage. This is a 33 by 42.7 centimeter. It is round, and it was last week's drop. So, and you can see on the end, it also has the picture of it there. So let's look at this. And I like these little ones. They're easy to do. You can do these in a weekend. So in the box, this has got the little Amazon thing to where you can go on Amazon, I guess, and do I really don't know what that's for, just to be terribly honest. Okay, so you've got your thank you for your purchase. Boy, it is a train wreck of a video. So here's all your info, tips, tricks, step-by-steps, and all of that. You, of course, get your treasure card with the picture of the canvas on there. This is a bronze. And then this has got, y'all, 85 colors. 85 colors for this little owl. So it looks like we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 specials. And you can see it does have the individual stickers to where you can put these on your baggies, your containers, whatever you're going to use to kit this up with. Looks like all your normal symbols. So, and then on the back, of course, it's going to have a picture of your canvas. It's going to let you know that it is a round. It's got all the info right here. It's got a start date, end date. In your toolkit, whoop, you have got some clear wax, a thing of baggies. You've got this pickup pen, whatever it is that they call it, that is branded Diamond Art Club. It does have a thin 4-placer on it. You have your small branded Diamond Art tray with the stopper. Has a skinny 7-placer and some heart wax. I do that every single time. I don't know why I have such a difficult time putting these things in here. Alright. So there is that. That is all that is in there. Okay. Y'all, it is storming here. It's been nice all day, and then it decided within this last hour to start storming. So now I'm dealing with Buster. being scared. So, he hates storms, y'all. Normally, I have to sedate him. But this storm came up on us so quickly that I didn't have time. And now it's just too late. He's just going to have to deal with it. Alright, so here is the canvas. It does have a soft backing on it. It is scalloped and serged to keep from fraying. You have got the logo up here at the top. Do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club. Y'all, I cannot get over how many colors are in this little kit. Definitely going to have a lot of confetti, I'm sure. Then here are the colors. I'll go ahead and open them. I don't normally show these, but I would like to see. Oh, I can see an AB right off the rip. Alright, I'm going to bring y'all down. Apologize for the glare. And you might hear some thunder. Okay. So let's go ahead and we will look at these. So it looks like you've only got one bag of 939s. Okay, here's an AB, 807 AB, and that is so pretty. Y'all, in my camera, this looks like a dark blue, but it's actually almost a little bit darker teal. And then right here we have a fairy dust. This is 3766 with another fairy dust, which is 517. I don't know if y'all can see. Like I said, it's dark in here because it's storming. Alright, here is another fairy dust, which is 964, which is almost a mint color, but in the camera it looks blue. It's just weird. Alright. So there's one chain. And then we have this one. Guess I could go this way. Not a whole lot in these bags. They're all pretty though. This is going to be really pretty when it's finished. It's very colorful, and I love a good colorful canvas. Here's AB 5200. I hope y'all could see those drills while ago. Geez, this train just keeps going. Alright, so here is a fairy dust. This is 437. Look, that's all the 310 there is. And that's probably going to be right there in his eyes. These are so pretty. I probably won't get to this one in a while, because I have got 3 whips already. And for me, that's a lot. And I have 1 ready to go, so that'll be 4. And then, most likely, might as well add 1 more to make it 5, because I've got a couple events that I'm going to be entering in in the next couple months, and all of my kits that I'm doing for it are large. Plus, I'm trying to do some of the PR packages that I've got, that I'm doing reviews for. I've been trying to work on those. So, yeah, it's like I got a lot of whips going. And never, ever, ever get these things like they're supposed to be. Oh, well, it's okay. So, yeah, that is a lot of drills. Yeah, this is not going to go in here. I'm going to do this afterwards. So, I'm going to bring this up. And y'all can see there is quite a lot of confetti in the face. But really, the outline, you know, the outside, the background, like all of that is one. There's a lot of color blocking in here. It's just a lot of colors. Can y'all see that? I don't even think I had y'all in camera. So, because I mean, look at all of these blocks of color. That's where all the colors are coming from. It's the background. And then some of the fairy dust, like here's going to be some down here. Let me bring y'all down a little bit. So here's going to be some in his toes, which goes up into his feathers and around his eyes. The 5200 AB is going to be all of the white outline and in his eyes. Looks like the fairy dust, that brown fairy dust, might be in his beak and possibly in this flower. And then the rest of it is all blue. It's either blue fairy dust or ABs. It's just going to be spread out within him. This is going to be really pretty. It will be. It's going to be very pretty. Alright, so that's all I got for you on this one. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if y'all have this one. Look, the schematics take up the whole side of each side. And then, of course, down here you've got all the info in the thumbnail. And then all the Diamond Art Club info. So, alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you're all having a great day. And if it's storming in your area, please stay safe. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.